Hi everyone, I'm Jason. Today's video is actually a video request on the Superbox. So a lot of you guys are getting this blue screen. It's a really easy fix. This happens when your box was like in the middle of doing an update when you boot it up and it didn't install properly, and this is what happens. So to fix it, where your mic button is, right underneath it, there's like a tool button. You want to press that. You're going to get the side menu. Now we're going to head down to Apps. Okay, so now we're going to go to See All Apps. Now we're going to go through the whole list. It's usually the last one on the list. We're looking for Launcher. Right over here, I'm going to press OK. So we're going to go down to Uninstall Update. Press OK. You're going to get this. Press OK. There we go. So we're going to hit the return button just one time. Okay, now we're going to go back to See All Apps. Okay, mine's right here, App Store. If yours isn't on the top of the list, just go down the list until you find this. So we're looking for App Store. Press OK. Open. Try to locate Launcher X. It's right here. Okay, now press OK to do the download. Okay, once you get the check mark, now we can hit the return key. Exit, exit, exit. Just keep exiting out. And that's all to it. Told you, quick fix. And the reason why this happens is every time you turn your box on, that Launcher X gets updated. And for some reason, if it fails, that's why you get the blue screen. The only thing you got to do now is add your shortcuts. All your apps are still there. All your favorites, everything's still there. The only thing is you lose your shortcuts. Okay, so re-add your shortcuts, and that's all to it. Okay, hopefully this video helped you guys out. If you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, give me those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.